Pinapangarap ni Anthony Bato.
Let's go!
Okay? Like this, yes, nice.
So yeah, it's too much hot, but it's all worth it, you know?
Also, I don't have like that.
Nice.
I don't have like that. Wait.
Wait.
Wala ka ganon.
Wala pa akong solo eh.
Wala ka pang solo. May solo ka na nga.
Only one.
It's insane. Great Pyramid of Giza, yeah.
Tapos pagka tayo mga tourist, next sa ano pupunta natin next.
Wala talaga lobat yung pan ko.
Yeah. Ganda ng Egyptian police. See?
Power off. Yatay. Wala lobat yung pan.
Yeah.
Gimbal.
Luluwat yung gimbal?
Lobat.
Kahit yung mga pulis dito mabait eh. Nagkipag okay, ganun pa.
Wala, lobat ng gimbal. Okay, may pa naman sa sasakyan.
Alalahanin nyo meron mga konti lang na naman sa pyramid.
Wow, it's nice, see? Ganda. Nile Ritz Carlton. Baka yung likod niya na river na. Ito, ganda na lumayan, no? A new beginning.
Malapit na tayo?
Check.
How many minutes?
Iya na lang. Ito, ano to? Maganda to siya kasi 5 star eh. Yung river nandito banda. Yeah, this is the one. Ito yung river, ito, the Nile River. Layo ko pala, 25 minutes. Pero ba't yung ano lang, mura lang yung ano to 85 lang yun eh.
Dapat maaga pala tayo kanina.
Di ba sabi ko nga?
Hindi, pwede mo tayo makabalik dito anytime.
Paano ko babalik? Meron na nga tayong naka-schedule.
Schedule natin 8:30.
Dapat kasi
8:30
maaga
na.
mo.
11 na tayo.
Alam maaga na ako nagising eh. 5 o'clock pa lang gising na.
Wala tayong sim.
Tapos during that day, night din wala ring internet, di ba?
Problema po kay Archie, wala siyang. Hello guys, ngayon papunta na kami ng Giza. But
Yeah, we're going to Egypt now. Pyramid of Giza. Lalakarin na din, layo din. Good luck.
Ha?
Lalakarin, malayo.
At punta doon. Lakad na.
Yeah. Wala man lang palamig sa sasakyan. So yung gas dito mura lang. Yun oh. Ano lang, 3.5 pound yung gas nila. Hindi ba yun? Mahal bang tubig? Tubig 10 pound eh. 10 pounds eh. 3 lang yung ano gas. Sure ba yun na yun, madami yung mga pelikula dito. Sure ba yun na yung Great Pyramid of Giza, nandun yung ano, yung pyramid? Or may ibang pangalan yung pyramid dito?
Meron din.
Maraming pyramid.
Maraming pyramid.
Baka mali ito.
na lahat.
Pero nandun na lahat. Oh, okay.
Sphinx. Dalawa sila. Pares lang yan sila. Ano to ba? Nakita mo na nga yun. May
Ayan o.
Sphinx ang ako magpares.
Kaya kasi maraming pyramid.
Ayan nga, pero isang lugar lang yan.
Hindi nila mo, private tour to the pyramid since with entry.
Problema doon kasi lalakarin natin.
Natural.
Unlike sa tour guide, magbabas sa ikot tayo doon.
Mas okay lang ganito din. Experience ba?
Ngayon naman, maglalakad tayo.
Dependent tayo.
Kasi kung may tour bus kasi talagang sila ang magbuhan papunta each and every pyramid.
Kaya nga, tas may ano pa no? Magsasalita-salita.
Oo, may magsasalita.
May
Wala naman yun eh. Hindi may naniwala sa akin.
educational tour.
Magkano $80? Meron $165.
$5 talaga. Pero dito, mura lang yan. Pero lahat-lahat na yan, mapunta ka na natin.
stability ata, hindi siya masyadong shaky pag ginamit mo. Unless, depende din sa lens na ginamit. Okay ba yung lens niya? So, ganito yung ano nila guys, yung mga architecture nila. Parang old school ba, old type of ano, yung style ng mga building nila. Nandito rin sila eh. Pwede, ganun lang.
Hindi mo tayo parang ni Jessica sa home.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi ako mapagpuan dito.
Dito din yung Grand Egyptian Museum. So, tingnan mo. So, dito na tayo. Maybe, ano tayo, whole day tayo dito sa, ano. Ito, parang ano siya. Isolated area na. So dito yung banda.
May video namin daw pala dito.
See? I see it.
على بعد 500 متر
Kita yun ha?
القلعة في خط مستقيم.
Evo. Evo.
Hindi allowed dito?
قبل هو. لا اوفر.
Finish picture?
Kalas ready.
Good morning.
Yes,
morning.
We go to pyramid?
Yeah.
Okay, the pyramid you have a two gate, two entrance.
Two entrance.
One entrance straight away
Uh-huh.
and one entrance straight away.
So which one you recommend?
So this way, the car you go to office ticket. You go by walk.
You go by walk, okay?
This one you go the car you go to office ticket
Okay.
because this the area inside is big long. This the area inside is big long. The government is stable. You go by camel, you go by horse, you go by carriage.
Uh-huh.
This is the tax of the desert inside. You go
Okay.
see big pyramid, second pyramid, third pyramid, Sphinx come back.
So we cannot go here?
It changed the way because museum.
Okay, so we go there and so we go there.
Here by camel, by horse, by carriage. Not walk.
Not walk.
Because it's the area inside is big.
There's a payment also?
Eh?
Of course, no. Ano ka ba?
No payment?
What?
No payment. There's
Bayad yan. Lahat may
camel
bayad.
or
What it is?
you need to pay the camel to go
May
there.
bayad.
They have a price. Office.
Office fixed price.
Yeah, office ticket here, the price here.
Okay.
Good
Oh.
price, let's go. Not good, no pay anything.
Okay, okay.
This
Oh,
one?
office ticketing.
ارجع بدارك يا أخي.
Masya.
Ano ka ba? May ano yan ha? Sinasabi ko
Hindi nga
sa'yo.
pwede daw dito makakuha.
لا تعال كده.
الاتجاه
So
مباشرة
we're not allowed to
Kung
come here.
maglalakad tayo.
So,
Dito daw maglakad, doon daw
ثواني
maglakad.
كده. My sister as like you want to go by walk straight away.
How many hours?
This never hour
Half an hour walking.
walking.
Okay.
But because you my sister not enter. Is the area inside is desert.
Okay.
Is the
Desert.
area?
It's a desert.
Yeah, it's big long. The government you go by carriage, by camel, by horse. You go see big pyramid, second pyramid, third pyramid. Sphinx come back from this side. Okay?
Okay.
Ano bang gusto niyo muna? May ano to ha? Napanood ko to merong mga ano.
Okay?
So,
Ano gusto niyo? Maglakad o mag-ano?
sa office nga daw,
but
bibigyan
dito
tayo ng
ano eh?
ticket para
Why
papunta
can't
doon.
we go from here? See, in the location, we can
My
go
friend,
inside.
all this it change. I work here no guide. Me, I work here. Not it change. Let's go. خد قدام يا خال وارجع تاني. سي جو خش
Close?
خش وارجع تاني يا خال. لف من هناك.
على بعد 150 متر الاتجاه نحو اليسار.
It's not.
Ah, it's
No.
It's
Ah,
closed.
kumain.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So what should we do?
Sabi nga niya na close eh.
No entry ngayon. So what to do? Sige. It's closed.
Ano gusto niya, maglakad o mag-camel?
Mag-camel tayo? Yeah, we can do camel. Kung di naman masyadong mahal.
Sabi ko kasi ulang.
Camel.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Okay, what you now? You go by camel, by horse, by carriage?
By horse,
Car?
by carriage.
Carriage, what's carriage?
Horse is buggy. Same the car.
Ah, okay, go.
Go?
Yeah.
Okay, اركب معك خلوق فرصة. Go sit.
What?
So parang
Good luck.
nararamdaman ko. May kakaiba.
بس خلنا نخش كده.
Ano pa nilakad mo na?
Ano?
خشي من
Wala
فيه.
naman kayo.
It's fine, we're gonna...
Karamihan ang nila to eh. Panilin lang.
Hindi, kung mahal mo siya.
All this
Yeah?
exchange. This is big museum.
Museum,
This
yeah.
big museum.
Uh-huh.
This one.
Good luck, patay tayo dito.
Nilakad na lang.
Carriage. How much Egyptian pound?
You see the price there.
See the price. If we, bayaran muna natin to and then kung mahal naman, di tayo ha?
Okay, basta oo na po.
Wala.
Hindi siya nagpapasok naman siya eh. Wala nang papasok siya.
What's your name?
Sami.
Sami. Dr.
Yeah.
Sami? You go to office?
Yeah?
Keep it the camera.
Okay.
No camera?
Keep it.
Keep the camera.
Keep it.
So we can use camera, no?
Rush, man.
Kasi yung mga nakikita ko sa video, naglalakad sila eh. Hindi sila gumagamit ng kasi tinataga sila sa taga sila sa...
No, if you go by walk, what's the difference?
Of course, maglalakad ka.
No, if you go for walk, where's the way? Different way?
Yes, far away. For you, Moses. Indira, walk in the Sphinx by Gary same. This one,
Yeah,
same.
but I see from the other places they are walking on.
It's far away, inside. Far away. This is 3 minutes. Go 3 minutes.
Ay, doon palapit ito makapasok doon.
Oo, kaya sabi ko sa'yo. Ang kaibahan lang lakad dito sakay. Eh, gusto mong sumakay, di ba?
3 minutes, my sister. Go back. This office ticket. Enter.
Ay, dito. Bakit hindi siya makapasok ng car?
Eh, doon nga ang daanan ng paglalakad.
So doon na yun mismo
Oo. Kasi, alam naman ko eh. Magbabayad ka lang ng ticket, magbabayad ka lang ng entrance pag meron ka mga camel o ano. Pwede ka naman pumasok.
So much.
How much there?
This ticket 540. Enter.
Kasi hindi pa ito ng natinuruan ni tayo.
You go inside the pyramid?
الاتجاه نحو اليسار
Yeah.
Inside.
Nothing to see.
May
الاتجاه
bawal
نحو
ka pasok sa loob.
Nothing to see anything. You go 25 meters like that. خش شمال الخير.
Now we're gonna try.
Hindi lang pera.
Ah, yeah.
Kaya nga.
بس يمينك في البيت.
Elsher stable, yeah.
Down here the office ticket.
What about if we go for by walk only?
By walk far away, big long. Other side.
No, but if we go for this one,
Intra here.
Huh?
Intra here.
Entrance here.
Yeah. This by car.
No, how much you gonna pay?
Here you have a small tour. Erken akal shimay.
Small tour only.
Small tour, medium tour, big tour.
Kasi pinapaalis na kaagad ko eh.
For big tour, how much?
No
Big
picture,
tour.
my friend. Come this way.
Big tour?
Small tour, medium tour, big tour. Small tour, you see big pyramid. With the chip, with the tomb. Medium tour, you see two pyramid. The Sphinx come back. Big tour, you see big pyramid. Second pyramid, third pyramid. The Sphinx, tomb, come back. This one
This
out.
one tomb also. There's a tomb.
Yeah, inside the tomb.
We're gonna walk or what?
So no, after you go there, how much? I don't know. After you go there, how many minutes? Because you're gonna take.
Ano,
you're
yung
gonna
gagawin?
take picture, no?
Dali lang nga.
Yeah, but you can stay.
My friend, this finish here.
So how you gonna?
Because you no bring ticket.
no bring ticket.
Keep it here.
Brother, this includes ticket, right?
No, this ticket by self.
Ah, this
Ticket by
different
self.
ticket.
Yeah, this is by self.
How much ticket there?
Eh? You have a student card?
No, we don't. We're not
How
students.
much ticket there?
Eh? Ito sarap ka. Wala. Come.
540 pounds per person.
540
This is ticket with the government.
Naka 1,000 na tayo.
Ticket with the government.
You by hand, the visa, credit, ATM.
Wait, 540
Ang
pounds?
ticket.
540.
You by
Ang ticket lang ha, ticket lang.
No, we will go there. We will pay ticket.
Oo.
you by hand. You pay by hand, not me.
By hand.
So
May
it's the,
entrance ticket.
Yeah.
One ticket or permit.
Entrance, wait ha. Entrance.
Entrance
ticket.
only. Like entrance only one payment.
Oo,
Then kalas, we
hindi
can go
kasama to
inside.
dito. Ano ba kayo?
Ano? Bumaba ka.
Wait, Alto. Ticket
Mm-mm.
doon 540.
540.
Each 540.
Okay.
Itong sinasabi niya, sakay lang to.
Sakay lang.
This
Oh.
lady, you understand. This lady, we know.
lakas lang tayo.
Look, I'm guide with you. Guide with you.
Okay
Like
lang?
this.
So 500.
Yes, 500. Okay.
All of us, yeah.
Brother ha, don't scam ha, mapis scam ha.
No problem. No, I guide with you. Yeah.
500.
Guide with you.
Yeah, see, why this guy saying 1,000? Why this guy saying 1,000?
This is
Scam.
yes, business.
Business, yes.
This is street with a carriage. This is street with a carriage.
Yeah,
No
this is
business.
straight with the carriage.
Yes.
No more, ano.
Yes, nice.
Brother, 503 ha? 3.
3 person, yeah. 3 person, 500, yeah. Okay, that is good.
Okay. You pay now. I sign off in the bus here. You pay now with a carriage. I go with you with a permit. Or permit, I come back.
Kubayad na tayo?
Okay?
You'll pay now?
Yes, I pay now with sign off in the bus here.
Where's the, we'll go to the ticket, I will go there
Yes,
and then
yes.
you will pay.
No problem. I go with you with
Okay.
the ticket. I go the permit. After permit, I come back. No problem. Yes, I go with you.
Yeah, you will go.
Yes,
with that,
yes. You pay now 500 pound. I start off in the bus here.
Where are you going to sit? Where are you going to sit? You will sit here?
Here,
Yes, no. I sit here. Go.
After my friend.
500. We will,
Then
we'll,
don't run with us ha.
no, we
problem. I
will
start
pay, we will
like
pay
this.
there.
Look,
Everyone has
no
this,
problem. No
Bibi.
problem. I start straight.
Buti na nakapag-away
Yes.
ako dun sa hayop
Ang
na yun.
street,
Kung di ako
wallah.
nakapag-away talagang, gusto mo ba magbigay ng 100? Ang lapit-lapit.
Kaya nga eh.
I straight wallahi. This is government here. I go with you.
Kaya ganyan,
All
ganyan.
permit. I come
Dito
back
yung
with
kasya.
the car.
Okay, brother.
After you
We will go there.
Okay.
Ha?
Yes.
O, bayad daw.
Yes.
Wala yung,
500.
we can pay
Yes,
there.
No
It's okay.
problem. 500. I will take here.
Ha?
Bayaran mo muna.
500. 500
Ikaw
is a
naman.
carriage. No
Kanina
more.
ako nagbayad
Kasi
eh.
nandito pa
No
sa
more.
ano.
No more.
Ha?
No more.
Bayaran
I
mo
go with
na.
a ticket
Bigyan
my
namin
hand.
sa'yo.
Mamaya.
One
Pakita.
time. This is 200.
Brother, listen to me ha. Okay.
Yes.
Because we came here in Egypt, mashallah, we wanted to just experience Egypt.
Yes.
But we don't like scam, mafia scam, okay?
No.
Okay then.
Scam only little, okay?
No money more. Okay. This is carriage only. 500 pound.
200.
Yes. This is 200.
Okay,
After
we
we
will
walk with-
pay and then Baden, There, how much? We will pay also 5?
Yes, yes. I pay £100 more to Spanish.
200. 400. 500.
Yes, yes, 100 more.
No, for 3 of us.
500. How
Bayaran mo
much?
muna, tol.
500. This is
Oh,
400.
How much? How much?
100
Isang
lang,
daan
kulang,
na
100.
Isang daan na lang.
Wala akong...
Ikaw na parang dyan.
Wala na akong isang daan, 200 lang dito
Eh,
eh.
may change yan.
200 din ang-
May change yan.
Oh, change, give change ah.
Eh,
My
give
friend, give
change.
change.
You have 100 there?
Okay, this is change. Okay, this is
Give-
600.
give-
I pay 100 more.
give change
100
now.
more.
Give me
wait,
change
wait,
now.
Yes.
Change also.
G, give me change now, okay?
Okay, gives maybe...
Eh, sila ba yun?
Bumalik?
Yes, close picture. Close picture. This street, wallahi. Wallahi street.
Wallahi, Allah is there, Allah,
Wallahi,
habibi.
wallahi street. This is
Yeah,
office.
give me 100.
Yes, 100 more. Okay. تعدي.
Sila ba yan? Balik?
Uli, bumalik din yun.
I guide with you. I guide with you trip. Trip. All permit. All permit.
Visit na ako.
Okay na yan.
Ano ba? Ano pa? May ano tayo? May...
بفتح
كمل.
وطلع وراك من النبي.
ده.
أراك حسام طيب.
Shwe.
Yes, I guide with you. This is Frank.
After you left
Yeah.
us ha?
Yes. I change the form. I change.
Ito sobra,
I have ticket my hand. Okay? My ticket.
Hindi naman kalaki yan eh. Gusto sana ako kalaki yan. Kuha sa atin. Kunti lang naman.
Ay, kung di buti yun, nakapag-away pa ako. Kung di ako nakapag-away, ito bibigay na isang daan.
Pasukin na.
Sabi ko hindi.
May kasama tayong
bigyan mo siya
brida.
ng bigyan mo siya ng, ay nako, talagang nung... Bibigay siya ng isang daan, de. Gusto ko pang kuha.
Oo, isang daan eh. Di ba parang ikaw, sumakay ka na eh. Nag-agree ka na.
Hindi, ito na si agree. Sige, biyaan mo.
Okay, my stress. Just enjoy.
Hindi.
Enjoy,
talagang-
enjoy.
Abdallah. Fakit bitina Abdallah.
Change baka dito na.
Change, yeah.
Yeah. I understand.
Brother, that is your brother?
Yes.
That guy?
Yes, I go with you.
Business nga daw,
No,
Your
business.
brother, that one.
No, brother, wallah.
Well,
No.
This one is trying to...
Okay.
Okay, take
Business no, business.
No. This is 50.
50.
Yes.
Ay ba?
100. This is 100.
Ah, yalla.
Yes,
Hey,
nice.
keep it.
Maybe 50-50 no? Para
Ticket
ano?
here. Ticket here.
50-50 na lang.
Yes. I have Mastercard.
Ah, kasi dito na pala yung entrance.
Mastercard.
Dito na yung entrance.
O, sabi ko sa'yo, ito na ang entrance, oh.
Mastercard.
Is this the entrance? Ah, ticket office ka.
Ticket.
Yung credit card niya, ano ka ba? Mag-isip ka nga.
Oh, bus or. Yeah.
Aywa, Ashraf.
Oh, nilakad na lang saan natin.
Kaya
Yes.
nga,
Ticket
tapos ito
here.
pala, pwede
I
tayo
will-
magbayad dito
Yes.
eh.
1 minute. 3 ticket. Here.
Sabi ko sa'yo, lapit-lapit lang, oh.
Oh my goodness.
There.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kutragi.
Ah, pero nagsakay tayo. Ito yung binayaran natin.
Ito yung binayaran natin. Ito sa experience natin.
550. So like, 500.
I pay with a ticket, my cash. 1 minute.
Ha?
1 minute. Ticket, my cash.
Why pa? Gosh.
Why?
Ticket daw yung ticket.
Here.
Ah, okay.
Here.
Tell him, come here, they will pay cash.
Yes, 3 yes.
Ticket office din. Baka doon ano na kaya baka may tubo pa yan.
Kaya 40.
No cash, no cash.
No, we're gonna pay by cash and then you're gonna pay by card.
Why you have to pay for 580?
No cash, no cash.
Probably baka raw kasi nag-change.
Yeah. Galit yung
Go with the ticket.
Huwag na,
Go
ano
with the
bang
ticket.
ginagawa mo?
With the ticket inside.
We have one already.
we have someone
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
we have someone waiting for us.
Welcome in Egypt, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.
Asan
Can
na
I
yan?
take picture here, no?
Ayun yun.
Ah, that's the guy.
Kala ko pinakabuhan tayo.
Inalisa na tayo, pucha.
Parehas lang pala eh, 500.
Stable. Frank is like a horse,
Go
yeah?
now, Panorama, I am permit. I nice picture for you. Okay?
Yeah.
I wanna
You're
come-
also a photographer?
I want a horse, I want a camel change with the
Ah,
photo.
see, that's
up
the
there, up
cool.
there, Panorama. Okay? Okay, man.
Nag-message ako kay Ahmed Salah. Sabi niya ano, okay daw. Wow, it's so shaky, no? These things.
معلم.
Ah, see, see, may tour guide sila, oh.
After trip, I see nice picture from here. Okay, after trip, I stop here, picture from
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna stop there and picture.
Picture
Yes,
daw.
Ah,
yes,
yeah.
after
That's-
trip.
After.
Okay,
After trip.
finish trip, I
Oh my goodness. You make, you know,
ما يوسعوا
don't be harsh on your horse.
يا صح.
زمانك كانوا مع زباين.
Roller coaster yung ano natin, ah.
This is Tom people.
Tom people?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
From people. No, inside this is closed like.
Oh, marami din pala tayo.
No anything inside.
Maybe kaya yung
all momia.
baka na ano yan sila, nadali yan. Baka yung mga yan nadali yan. Hello! Parang Pilipino natin eh. Oh, good. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this?
بعتك والله العظيم عسل. والله العظيم.
So shaky, you know?
Oh my goodness.
Alam mo talagang 500 lang talaga. Yung isa, ang laki ng
Ano
Wag mo
na
na.
1,000? Yung una, 1,2, di ba?
Ay,
Ah,
laki ng
1,500.
camel, oh.
Sabi niya 1,800 daw.
Yes, this is up there, Colorama, Nine Pyramid. Up there, picture with a camel. Camel
Yes.
good,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, nice picture with a camel. Nice photo.
Hina ako.
This is big one cubes. Yes, big one cubes. Chevron, medium, small here, macaronis.
Large, medium, small.
Yes, macaronis. Cubes, Chevron, macaronis. 9 permit and 6 small and 3 bigger. And 3 small here with a big one and 3 small
Kala ko,
here
malaki,
with
liit
a
lang pala.
small
Yeah.
one. No understand?
It's
I
not.
understand.
No understand?
We can go inside and touch it.
No inside was a ticket more.
Oh,
Permit.
inside.
Wow! It's really nice.
Yes,
It
nice.
looks really cool, you know?
Yeah.
Unreal.
It looks like,
Good trip.
yeah, that's the camel, yeah. See, they look so sad.
Good trip, wallahi.
Give your food your horse.
Yes, I was.
Okay, can we go down here and take
Take
a photo?
photo.
Picture?
Photo here?
Yeah.
Ang pangit naman.
No,
No,
we
there.
we have to go there.
After daw, after.
Okay, after.
Shway.
ايوه معلم.
Oh, pinapangarap ni Anthony Bato.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
But na lang talaga, Diyos ko. Alam mo, malaki rin ang tulong ni Muhammad, ha? Muhammad El Shoni. Kasi kung tumira tayo dun sa 1,000.
Oo.
Center?
Yes, yes.
This one museum?
Yes, Kofu Center.
There's a ticket also.
You will bring us there? What?
Ganda, may ticket na naman to. Putang ina.
Ikaw na problema ka, marami ka naman pera.
Ano marami pero mag-travel pa ako, uy. Ang travel ko eh. Doon ko isasagad sa...
Hindi, mas okay ako dito. Medyo
Ay, travel
naapan
ko.
ako. Medyo namin.
Isasagad ko sa ano. Hindi ako nakakasin.
Let's go!
It's okay? Like this, yes, nice.
So yeah, it's too much hot, but it's all worth it, you know?
Also, I don't have like that.
Nice.
Ano,
I don't have like that. Wait.
Wait.
Wala ka. Ganon.
Wala pa akong sulo eh.
Wala ka pang solo. May solo ka na nga.
Only one.
It's insane. Once in a lifetime, you need to come here, you know? Egypt is a very, very nice place. These are the pyramids that they built long way ago.
Like this?
No, I have already.
Yes, so this is the camel. Oh,
Want a photo? Wait. Photo? Okay.
oh.
Why smile? Nice.
Why crying?
Yes,
Wide, wide, wide. Go, go, go. Wide like this, wide.
What's your name?
Yes.
Sam. Okay.
Pyramid.
Yes, nice pyramid. Yes, ready.
One, you one like that, okay?
Yeah, only him, because we don't have money.
What?
Only him, he's gonna do the camel picture.
Okay, small money, okay? Okay na. Hold, give it hold. Yes, no. Alright, here's one.
Pyramid. Yeah. Anton is there, you know, like he's paying £100 for that one.
For nothing.
For only the picture. It's, you know, he's rich though, so it's fine for him. But for us, it's expensive. How was it? How's the driving?
Bumanong kasi utos.
How's taking the camel?
Yes,
How do you feel?
Together, no 100. No 100. And together, 150.
No, it's fine. There's
It's okay.
no. It's kind of scary though. It's like very.
I have already camel there.
In Bahrain, there's a lot of camel, you know.
Bahrain, no, but this is pyramid. Pyramid. Go.
No, it's fine. See, I can like do like that. I can see the camel with myself.
Look, together, 100 down.
Ano, I don't like. Ikaw
Come
ba
on.
gusto?
No, I don't like. I don't want it. I don't want it. Sorry.
100 pounds. Together.
So this is the guy that that Toras. It's like he has a camel. If you come here in Egypt, you should find this guy. What's your good name?
Ali.
Ali. Yeah.
Yes.
He's really good, and he's not a scammer.
Okay. Mechanic photo.
Yeah, he's a really good photographer as well.
Yes. Nice.
If you come here, you should find this guy. Ali. Look for this.
Ali.
License.
License. Yes.
Yeah, his license.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Okay. You subscribe to our channel, yeah? If you
Take care.
What?
A lot of picture.
yeah, maybe you're famous here already, you know? So yeah, this is the stone of pyramid. Oh, I need to touch it myself, you know, because it's gonna be. I'm not sure if I'm able to come back here, you know, because yeah, we've been struggling coming here really. So yeah, this is like the details of the stone. You can see it's like a, you know, normal stone really. It's not that. Ha? May hagdanan dun, no? But I don't think it's allowed to climb up. Yeah. So this is the stone. See, you can see that it's like half of my body. It's like more half of my body.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, give him phone a nice picture. All people.
Okay. Ton.
Hello, brother. Come on, picture. All of you.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Look, nice photo. All people. Yes, go. 3.
Kami yala.
Init. Magkasalan na ata sila.
See, they even vandalized this pyramid. I don't know. This is not good. It's not allowed, I guess, but it's been there. It's already there. What to do, yan?
Okay. I go now picture with the Sphinx.
Okay, speak.
Yeah, the Sphinx. Give me
Yes,
the
this is Finnish trip with the Sphinx
Okay.
picture. After lotus flower.
Lotus
Okay?
flower? Okay.
Yes. After Sphinx, one is lotus flower. Good trip, happy? Come. Asin.
Oh, don't do that. Jack is gonna get angry with you, you know?
Ano pa pataas na ito eh?
May stick siya. Ikaw wala.
Ha?
May stick siya ito. Stick ba ganun?
Yeah.
والله يا سيدي عم حسين صباح الفل يا ريس حبيبي يا عم حسين والله بنسى اقسم بالله يا عم حسين في بالي والله
Kalsada kasi kaya baka may ka-encuentro ba? Kaya nadaan sa kalsada.
Not allowed. From here. Okay.
Yes, picture three gadgets.
Yeah.
Three gadgets.